So the first process we're gonna do is to wet the hair. Okay, you wet the hair. Then you apply the soda. Across the hair. I focus on where the joint is here, because that's where a lot of the work will be needed, more than the strands of hair. So you apply, you can use as many as you want. This process takes 5 minutes. Let me show it to you. Now I'm going to take my apple vinegar cider and I'm going to pour. Now, this process does not need soaking. You pour it and immediately the chemical reaction that breaks down particles is happening now. It takes 5 minutes. You don't need to soak hair for half an hour. You don't need to do that at all. The color that you see down there, it's this color most of the time. So we're gonna do that. This is the chemical reaction. And then I'm gonna allow it to make that noise. And then when it's over, I'm gonna redo the process again, and then I'm gonna rinse it.